G'day, this is Dan Shed Life. Welcome to the shed. On today's episode, I'm going to answer a question that's plagued mankind for centuries. Can I forge steel in my waste oil burner? So I built this waste oil burner probably 12 months ago, and it's been absolutely fantastic. And it burns hot enough. The mixing bowl there and the brake disc I got set on top glows absolutely red hot. So I was thinking to myself, I wouldn't mind making a proper forge, but I want to see how viable it is to actually forge some steel. Now, the biggest problem with this one is going to be the bowl is only pretty small, so I'm only going to be able to do a short amount. But anyway, it'll give me some indication. Let's have a crack. Now, I'm not a blacksmith by any stretch of the imagination, but I do have fire, I've got steel, I've got a hammer, and I've got a bit of railway line to belt the steel on. So fundamentally I could set up business as a blacksmith, but anyway, I'm only doing it for a laugh. So let's put this in the fire, see how long it takes to heat up. So I've just turned the shed light off so I can see a bit clearer. Oh, slightest tinge of red. So I put the brake disc back on top, try and keep a bit of the heat in. Just wasn't doing it. Alright, starting to glow. It's taken about one beer to get to that stage. And I found a heavy dutier hammer. Is that a word? Heavy dutier hammer. So anyway, I'll pull it out of the fire. Let's whack it on this. See what happens. Well, it kind of works. Put it back in for a bit. I love seeing that blue flame there. That means I've got a good fuel to air ratio. Bush getting red now. Now on the other side there I've got a couple of bars, a couple of round bars. Maybe we can do something with that. One sec. Do a bit of a curl. Alright, turn the light on. Well, it's working enough. It's inspiring me to go and build a proper forge. So, yeah, something very primal about hitting hot steel with hammers. Anyway, one more belt and I'll show you what I've done. All right, last strike, let's go. Righto, here's what I've made. It's a hook, a little flat bit, maybe I don't know, maybe some kind of really bad pinch bar. Anyway, proof of concept, that's all it is. Ooh, nice way to kill a Sunday arvo. Thanks for watching.